This is our jewelry laser welding machines. This machine just two parts: water cooling system and the laser source. Now, and my engineer will teach you how to install the machine first. And first, to install the machine, just connect the several cable. This is a foot switch. This is water cooling system. Sometime, if you need, you can connect the argon gas. The argon gas can connect you to weld something beautiful more. Now the machine just connect the cable is okay. Now I will add water into the water cooling system. For the water cooling system, you just and the pure water is okay, and the water just cover the pipe is okay. Okay, the machine installation is done, and you just connect the power supply, then can start the machine now. Now, we start the machine. 开始吧。开水冷是吧？现在打热水吧。等。First one, open the key switch. Then open the water cooling system. You press OK and open one. Then you need to wait a minute and start the laser source. 为什么看不清楚啊？
多不多？
这个角度可以。没点着。
点 OK 了吧？
等等。Now and open become into close. Then that is mean the machine can working. You can adjust the current. Yeah, current. Yeah, the wasteland. The frequency. To welding. The little spot diameters. That is mean. That is mean when you to welding different jewelries, and you need to use different current, wavelength, frequency, and little beam little spot diameters should be fine. Now I will show you welding something. And you use the microscope and to check your welding jewelries, and you can find the cross through the microscope. That is mean use you can use the microscope to see the cross clear. That is mean the welding spot.看住了吗？来，拿出来。
不是很好啊。我想调一下焦距。
关机。Now, I will close the machine. And first we need to adjust the frequency, the current to 16. Yeah, the close. Okay. 好了吗？
关掉了。
Close the water cooling system. Yeah, close the key switch.
行吗？行。用这挖那个。找你过来。如果现在啊。